Welcome to TopVids. Today, we're taking a closer look at some of the most massive creatures on Earth, snakes. These giant reptiles are as fascinating as they are terrifying. From the jungles of Asia to the rainforests of South America, we're counting down the top 5 biggest snakes in the world, ranked from smallest to largest. Let's dive in. From the verdant depths of the Amazon rainforest to the humid swamps of the Everglades, few creatures on Earth evoke such a primal fear and fascination as snakes. These remarkable reptiles, with their sinuous movements and mesmerizing gaze, have captivated our imaginations for millennia. Today, we venture into the realm of giants, exploring the awe-inspiring world of the largest snakes on our planet. Our journey into the realm of serpentine giants begins on the sun-drenched plains and in the tangled jungles of the Indian subcontinent. Here, amidst the long grasses and beneath the shade of ancient trees, we encounter the Indian python, a creature that embodies both power and grace. Reaching lengths of up to 20 feet, the Indian python is a formidable predator, its muscular coils capable of crushing the life out of prey many times its own size. But despite its fearsome reputation, the Indian python is a creature of remarkable beauty. Its scales, shimmering with iridescent hues of gold and brown, seem to capture the very essence of the sun-dappled forests it calls home. As we observe this magnificent creature gliding effortlessly through the undergrowth, we are reminded of the delicate balance that exists within the natural world. We journey now to the heart of Africa, a land of vast savannas, shimmering deserts and ancient rainforests. Here, amidst the rugged beauty of this untamed continent, we encounter the African rock python, a creature that embodies the raw power and untamed spirit of Africa itself. Growing up to 23 feet in length and weighing over 200 pounds, the African rock python is a true giant of the serpent world. Its muscular body, adorned with intricate patterns of brown and black, is perfectly adapted for a life spent navigating the rocky outcrops and dense forests of its domain. The African rock python is a master of ambush, lying in wait for unsuspecting prey to wander too close. With lightning-fast reflexes it strikes, its powerful coils constricting around its victim, squeezing the very life out of it. The African rock python is also a vital part of the delicate ecosystem it inhabits, helping to keep prey populations in check and ensuring the health of the African wilderness. Often seen basking in the sun, it absorbs the warmth needed to regulate its body temperature. Like all snakes, the African rock python periodically sheds its skin, a process known as ecdysis. Females lay clutches of up to 100 eggs, which they fiercely guard until they hatch. The African rock python's interactions with other wildlife are complex and varied. Conservation efforts are crucial, as habitat loss and hunting pose significant threats to its population. As the sun sets over the African wilderness, the African rock python remains a symbol of the continent's untamed beauty and raw power. Our quest for the world's largest snakes takes us now to the steamy jungles of Southeast Asia, a land of vibrant colors, exotic scents and a cacophony of sounds. Here, amidst the tangled vines and towering trees, we encounter the Burmese python, a creature whose beauty is as captivating as its size is impressive. Growing up to 25 feet in length and weighing in at a hefty 250 pounds, the Burmese python is a true giant of the serpent world. Its scales, a mesmerizing tapestry of browns, tans and blacks, provide perfect camouflage amidst the dappled sunlight of the forest floor. The Burmese python is a master of stealth, its movements slow and deliberate as it stalks its prey. Once within striking distance, it lunges, its powerful jaws snapping shut with incredible force. But despite its fearsome reputation, the Burmese python is a creature of remarkable adaptability, thriving in a wide range of habitats, from dense jungles to suburban backyards. Our journey takes us deeper into the heart of Southeast Asia, to the islands of Indonesia and the Philippines, where we encounter a creature that embodies the very essence of serpentine grace and power, the reticulated python. This magnificent reptile is not just a marvel to behold, but also a symbol of the rich biodiversity that thrives in these lush tropical regions. Holding the title of the world's longest snake, the reticulated python can reach astonishing lengths of over 30 feet, making it a true giant among serpents. Its impressive size is matched by its strength and agility, allowing it to dominate its environment with ease. Its sinuous body is a mesmerizing tapestry of diamond-shaped patterns in shades of brown, black and gold. These intricate designs are not just for show, they serve a crucial purpose in the wild. These intricate markings provide perfect camouflage amidst the dappled sunlight of the rainforest floor, blending seamlessly with the fallen leaves and underbrush. This natural disguise allows the reticulated python to remain undetected by both predators and prey, allowing the reticulated python to move with stealth and precision as it hunts its prey. Its hunting strategy is a combination of patience and power, lying in wait for the perfect moment to strike. Despite its massive size, the reticulated python is a surprisingly agile creature, capable of climbing trees with ease and even swimming long distances. This adaptability makes it a versatile predator, able to exploit a variety of ecological niches. Its muscular body and keen senses make it a formidable hunter, both on land and in water. Its diet is as varied as its habitat, ranging from small mammals and birds to larger prey such as deer and pigs. This dietary flexibility ensures its survival in a range of environments, ranging from small mammals and birds, which it captures with lightning-fast strikes, to larger prey such as deer and pigs. These larger meals can sustain the python for weeks, allowing it to thrive in environments where food may be scarce. The reticulated python is a true marvel of evolution, a testament to the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on Earth. Its ability to thrive in various habitats, from dense forests to riverbanks, showcases its remarkable resilience. Our expedition culminates in the heart of the Amazon rainforest, a realm of unparalleled biodiversity and home to some of the most awe-inspiring creatures on Earth. Here, amidst the flooded forests and murky waterways, we encounter the undisputed king of all snakes, the Green Anaconda. This colossal serpent, the heaviest snake in the world, can grow to lengths of over 30 feet and weigh in at an astounding 550 pounds. Its massive body, adorned with olive green scales and distinctive black markings, is perfectly adapted for a life spent in the water. The Green Anaconda is a master of ambush, lying in wait beneath the surface of the water, its eyes fixed on the unsuspecting prey that ventures too close to the water's edge. With a sudden burst of speed, it strikes, its powerful jaws clamping down with bone-crushing force. The Green Anaconda is a true apex predator, a creature that reigns supreme in its watery domain. As we conclude our journey into the realm of giant snakes, we reflect on the incredible experiences we've had exploring these magnificent creatures. We are left with a profound sense of awe and wonder at the incredible diversity and power of the natural world. Each snake we encountered has its own unique story, its own place in the ecosystem, and its own way of surviving and thriving in the wild. From the sinuous grace of the Indian python, which can be found coiled elegantly on tree branches or moving stealthily through the underbrush, to the colossal bulk of the Green Anaconda, often seen swimming powerfully through rivers or resting majestically on riverbanks, these magnificent creatures remind us of the boundless wonders that await us when we venture into the wild. Their eyes, their movements, and their sheer presence are a testament to the beauty and mystery of nature. Their existence is a testament to the delicate balance of nature, a balance that is maintained through intricate interactions with their environment and other wildlife. This balance is something we must strive to protect for generations to come. Conservation efforts are crucial in ensuring that these incredible creatures continue to thrive in their natural habitats. And there you have it, the top 5 biggest snakes in the world, ranked from smallest to largest. Each one of these giants has its own unique characteristics and adaptations that make it a true marvel of the animal kingdom. From the dense jungles to the open grasslands, these snakes have adapted to a variety of environments, showcasing their incredible versatility and resilience. From the reticulated python's incredible length, which allows it to stretch out and navigate through the dense foliage of rainforests, to the green anaconda's unmatched bulk, which gives it the strength to overpower large prey in the water or dense vegetation, these snakes showcase the power and mystery of the animal kingdom. Their hunting techniques, their strength, and their ability to blend into their surroundings are truly fascinating. Which of these giants impressed you the most? Was it the sheer size of the green anaconda or the length of the reticulated python? Perhaps it was the grace of the Indian python or the adaptability of other large snakes. Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing your thoughts and experiences with these incredible creatures. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing wildlife content only on TopVVids. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this journey into the world of giant snakes. See you next time on another exciting adventure into the wild.